Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the second edition of Ish Picks Beauty Awards Makeup Edition. You guys have loved the weekend celebration that we had for the skincare specials. Thank you for all the love. And here is the main event where there's gonna be a lot of masala, a lot of great categories. So yeah, watch till the end. Let's begin with thanking our sponsors, which are going to be the brands that worked with me, My Uncontrolled Shopping Edition, and you guys who kind of like my reviews. Also powered by Amazon for bringing out the best of the best sales. And right now they have the ultimate brand sale, which means up to 60% off on 1500 plus brands. So go check out the links. In case you're watching us for the very first time, do check out the weekend celebration. There's gonna be the card link. I'm gonna leave that in the pinned comment, and let's begin with the categories. Also, we have some special performances for you. I'm not sure about the number. Jitna time milega mujhe aaj main utna kar lungi, but yeah, stay tuned. Let's go. Alright guys, let's begin with the first category, which is going to be the All-Nighter Foundation Award. Foundation that stays put on you all night throughout all the dirty dancing as well. So the first category is also one of the most expensive products that I've personally tried, and I get the hype. It's none other than the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. Of course, Stay in Place naam mein hi likha hai. This is how it looks. I am in the shade Dawn. I applied it for the cocktail and whole night for my friend's wedding. Literally with no expectations. That was the first time I was trying it out, and oh my god, my base looked extra radiant. 8-10 घंटे ये फाउंडेशन मेरे फेस पे था, बिकॉज लिटरली हम सुबह 4 बजे भी सोए हैं, एंड इट लुक्ड द एग्जैक्ट सेम. ये कहीं से ऑक्सीडाइज नहीं हुआ था, कहीं से बज नहीं हुआ था. सो येस, वाइल इट कॉस्ट यू अ बॉम्ब, मेरा ऑलमोस्ट रेंट जो मेरी पहली जॉब से था, दिस इज टोटली वर्थ इट. लिटरली कोई ड्रॉपर नहीं है इसमें. Of course, we don't believe in forcing you to try out everything high-end. I believe drugstores are the best. And from the drugstore, we have the Lakme 9 to 5 Power Play Priming Foundation. This one has been the most hyped foundation. मैंने इसे पहले भी लिया था, but somehow मेरा shade match was never right. This time, I bought the correct shade. This is what I have on my face, and if you're liking the base, how it looks, get this one. Also, somehow, both the brands that are winning this award, दोनों में pump नहीं है. I guess the brands want us to believe कि इन्होंने सारा पैसा सिर्फ formulation में लगाया है. Nonetheless, the formulation is actually great. It might be the Lakme one is a little thicker, but the coverage and finish is so good. It's literally matte. You wouldn't need a dewy spray. You wouldn't need to set it as well. बहुत ही matte finish देता है, which I kind of like for some functions. So, and this also has a great staying power, and I love the finish that it gives to my skin. Then we have the Quick Fix Concealer Award for the ultimate coverage, and I again have two winners. I know you're thinking मेरा favorite concealer जो इस पूरे साल रहा है, that is going to win the award, but no. In the last month, something even more amazing just approached me, and I am hooked to it. It's by Makeup Revolution. It's a Real Love Super Concealer Radiant Matte. ये मुझे randomly Amazon पे दिखा, and I tried my level best to correctly match the shade, but it went a little darker and a little too orangish for me. And उसके बाद से I started using it as a color corrector for my under eyes and my acne marks. First of all, Recode जो मैंने पूरे साल use किया है, it's way more thick. It's almost double the price. This one is lightweight. It's very liquidy. इसमें लिखा भी है, it's Hydra Boost, and it feels like this. It's like a light watery सा texture, not watery but very liquidy, and gives you the coverage that you need to correct your marks. मैं try on में दिखाई रही होंगी. This is totally worth your price. एक टाइम पे Swiss Beauty का concealer used to be my ultimate favorite. Like, it was the most affordable concealer of all times. I think this has clearly replaced it for me, and it's just I have to match the shade. I got C11.2. I think 2-3 shades में ऊपर जाऊंगी तो ये मेरे concealer शेड के पास आएगा. बट वो तो कलर करेक्टिंग के लिए हो गया कंसीलर. The one that I use for highlighting and I have used the entire year is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. It is full wear. It's thick but it's very hydrating. It blends beautifully. Doesn't crease. आपको सेट करना पड़ेगा, but totally worth the hype. I'm not sure अभी इंटरनेट पे इसका hype है कि नहीं, but this I know is always going to be in my vanity. I'm going to repurchase it till eternity, till I find something this good under 1000. I'm using the shade 314 Beige as a highlighting shade right now. Of course, you can go a few shades down and use it as a correct color match as well. This is a beautiful formula. Now the filter-free compact slash powder award for a smooth and shine-free skin goes to none other than my all-time favorite. I feel साल में कितना भी powders release हो जाए, I will always be hooked to this because I prefer my powders that are tinted, that give me some coverage, and while covering the smile lines and everything, this one is going to be my ultimate ride and die. It's in the shade light medium. This is what works for my skin tone. They come in good 5-6 shades that work for almost every skin color. So yeah, and अगर आप ये एक बार लोगे, मैं जितना मेकअप लगाती हूँ उसके बाद भी मैं साल भर में से फिनिश नहीं कर पाती, तो आप तो इसे 3 साल आराम से यूज करने वाले हो. You can also use it just for some coverage while going out every day. I think easily discounts पे 300-400 का पड़ जाता है, and trust me, even the high end cannot beat this one. नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी के बगैर आई डोंट थिंक सो ये बेस वाला सेक्शन कभी भी कंप्लीट होगा. वी हैव द स्किन मिनिमलिज्म टिंट अवार्ड, एंड दिस अवार्ड इज गोइंग टू अ प्रोडक्ट दैट वाज जस्ट अ रैंडम परचेज दैट आई डिड इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया. इट्स फ्रॉम Rimmel London. It's the kind and free moisturizing skin tint foundation. I used it in one of my Get Ready With Me's that I did in Australia, and उसके बाद से I've been hooked. I'm in the shade 210 Golden Beige. It just blends so beautifully. It's so hydrating. Literally such a lightweight formula which still gives me coverage and a very glowy base. मुझे इसको set wet करने का मन नहीं करता. I just apply it and go out of my house. It's beautiful. In case you're somebody जो office going है and wants something very lightweight, just use this. Concealer छोड़ो, बस ये लगाओ and you'll be good to go. I feel this brand deserves a lot more attention. Rimmel की तो कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा आजकल. While I am seeing a lot of good base products from them. Let me know if you want me to try it more often. I think ये 700-800 rupees का ही है and it will last you a good 3-4 months आराम से. Then we have the On Fleek brow product for defining and क्या हो गया मुझे? Then we have the On Fleek Brow Product Award for defining and filling brows effortlessly. And I have a product that not only works on my very well defined and full eyebrows, but also on my friend who has a little lighter and scarce eyebrows. मैंने ये भी cocktail night पे उसके मुंह पे use किया था, मुंह पे उसकी brows पे use किया था, and she loved it so much that she literally took a photo of this product to buy and purchase later. And this is why this product is getting another mention in my videos. It's by Makeup Revolution. It's this one. मैं इसका नाम यहाँ डाल दूंगी. I forgot it. It comes with a filler tint on one side and it comes with a spoolie on the other side. The tint is so beautiful कि आपकी light brows हो या well defined brows हो, it just takes up the color. It blends very seamlessly into your brows and gives the most natural finish ever. For somebody who doesn't even have well defined brows, उसको भी वो एकदम जैसे आप laminate करा के आते हो brows वैसा look दे सकता है if you do it correctly. It needs a little practice but totally worth it. Again, something beautiful under 500 rupees on discount, so get your hands on this one. Also, I love how travel friendly it is. मुझे अलग से कोई स्पूली वगैरह या फिर कोई ब्रश ले जाने की जरूरत नहीं. It's just one product and I am sorted. Next, we have the ultimate eyeshadow palette for the most versatile color ranges and also pigmentation, and the award goes to Mars. It's their city वाला range. I have the range Mumbai. एक तो इन्होंने बहुत सारे cities में launch किया था. The Mumbai one looks like this. So you have 9 eyeshadow colors जो खुद में ही इतने colorful हैं. There's blue, there's warm orange, there's pink, there's golden shimmer, there's black color as well. You can see कि मैं एक पूरी wedding सिर्फ इस color palette को use करके दिखा सकती हूँ. It's colorful and it also has neutrals here. And in the same palette, you get a contour, a highlighter, a setting powder, and a blush. This blush, along with this highlighter, also looks beautiful. The color range is so beautiful. I couldn't think of any other eyeshadow palette for this award because this is one palette that is travel friendly also, and you'll be sorted. Then we have the award for the best mascara. For the most volumizing and lengthening formula, I have 2 picks. Number 1 is again going from Makeup Revolution. It's their Pink 5D Lash Mascara. I love the fact that it's not waterproof, so आप इसको आराम से remove कर सकते हैं. For like a 3-4 hours का event or just shoot days, I always go for that. It gives me the most fluttering eyelashes. Lengthen भी करता है, voluminize भी करता है. It's great. Again, something around 600-500 only. But if you are somebody who craves for something waterproof, this is the viral mascara that I used even on Coldplay concert night. And पूरे concert में रोने धोने के बाद this is how my eyes looked. ऐसा लग ही नहीं रहा है कि मैं रो के आई हूँ. And मैंने अपनी आंखें बहुत बार स्मच करी थी. It still did not budge. And the mascara is none other than L'Oreal's Panorama Volume Million Lashes. Love the golden, extremely luxurious packaging and love how it lasts on my lashes all night long. Literally इस बार की दोनों शादियां जो मैंने अटेंड करी हैं या फिर इवेंट्स भी अटेंड करी हैं, this was all that I used. This is the only mascara that I have right now and it's totally worth it. Okay, I think we're almost done with all the base products that needed your attention. So let's take a mini break. Of course, award night hai, you need a little bit of glam as well, and we have none other than Ishita with 2 E's performing for you guys tonight. So make to Ishita. The reason why she knows this dance and why she's performing today would be revealed in future vlogs. But एक comment जरूर छोड़ के जाइएगा because इतनी सर्दी में लहंगा पहन के घर में नाचने के लिए it's literally the coldest day today in Lucknow and she is trying to heat up the atmosphere or the aura, I don't know. But let's move on to the next category because they deserve your attention as well. Then we have the Kiss Proof Lipstick Award for color payoff, comfort and lasting power. And बहुत सोचने समझने के बाद I want to give this award to 2 brand ranges. Number 1 is going to be L'Oreal. Again, oh my god, L'Oreal is actually killing it. It's their Infallible lipstick range. It looks like this. I'm pretty sure अगर आप इंटरनेट पे हैं आपने ये सब देखा ही होगा. I have 2 colors from them. One is Road Tripping that I have mixed and applied right now. It's a beautiful moussey texture. It sort of blurs out your lip lines as well. Plus, iska one swipe color payoff. It's also waterproof. If you are going out for a date, like जहाँ पे आप बहुत खाओगे, this is going to be your ultimate lipstick because oh my god it stays put. मैं January में इसके साथ मैंने collab किया था and I made a reel for them. Literally kiss proof. It's also waterproof and I love it. Pick up any color. I know last month ही 2 नए shades आए हैं, Worth It and Worth It Medium. That is called the Alia Bhatt shade and it's specifically for fairer and medium Indian skin tones, so you can purchase it. I still haven't tried them. It's a nice peachy everyday nude sort of a color, but I wanted to recommend this range for the formula. The second award is going to be a little controversial. I think some of you might not like it, but मैं जूरी है, मुझे पसंद है. It's Maybelline's Teletits. Now I have full reasons why I'm supporting this. A, cute packaging है, I like it. B, it actually stays on for a really long time. Again, concerts में लगाया है. Again, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में बाहर जब खाना खाने जा रही थी तब लगाया है. मैंने इंडिया में भी इसे बहुत यूज़ किया है. The staying power is insane. जो आप रील्स देख रहे हो, जो unbelievable staying power आती है, उसमें मुझे नहीं लगता कोई री-एप्लीकेशन की ज़रूरत है because this literally is like glue on your lips. Yes, if you don't let it dry up, तुरंत आप अपना lips ऐसे क्लोज करोगे, it will feel a little sticky, but oh my god, let's stop having such unrealistic expectations from lipstick. This one deserves your attention. I'm not forcing you to buy. I bought it with my own money. This is not PR. मैं Maybelline के PR में हुई नहीं. But this one is great and I love the color knee high. It's like a mauvey pink. Something that I have gravitated towards a lot this year. The brown tones and the mauvey pinks have been my comfort zone and I love it. Of course, we are still going to dive into the lip category. भाई अभी मेरी दोस्त कही अब कौन आ गया? Okay, let's dive in even deeper into the lip category. Then we have the Shiny Lip Gloss Award for the most hydrating and shiny lip ever. Now, of course, हर ब्रांड ने अपने लिप ग्लॉसेस निकाले हैं, तो आप जिस भी बजट में कंफर्टेबल हो उसको उठा के यूज करने लगो. But I think if you've seen my other makeup recommendations, then you know your award किसको जा रहा है. It's none other than Dime Beauty's Glass Tint Balm. पैकेजिंग की बात करें तो it's a dupe of Hourglass lip balms. कॉन्सेप्ट की बात करें तो it's a dupe of MAC Squirting lip glosses जो आए थे. But oh my god, this bronzonite shade, which is not really pinky, not really brown, it's somewhere in between, and it looks so good, so glassy. अगर मैं इसको लगा के जाती हूँ, देख के ही लगता है कि yes, I have something on my lips which is unique and probably expensive. मैं इसको almost खत्म करने वाली हूँ, तो इस सेल सीजन में I have again purchased it as well, the same shade. I am hooked to this one, so yeah. चलो एक और बता देती हूँ. Maybelline का Lifter Gloss is again really beautiful, amazing product at just 800 rupees. That also was a close runner-up. It's just I wanted to give it to something unique, and that one for me is this one. But runner-up का award goes to Maybelline Lifter Gloss. I have the Moonlight one. Again, उसके भी glitters are very very comparable to Fenty Gloss, and I have Fenty Gloss as well. Like they've tried getting that glossy look under a budget, so Maybelline, you deserve the crown. Next we have the Lazy Girl's Bestie Blush Award. For those lazy ass days जब आपको कुछ नहीं करना है but you just add a flush of color and you're good to go. I have two contenders for this award as well, and number one is going to be the Kiro blushes. I have the shade Vintage Rose from their Rosehip Oil, Moringa Oil and Avocado Oil, this stick wala blush. It's a beautiful peachy shade, and the reason why this is getting this award is because इन्होंने एक blush निकाला है which is compact, travel friendly. इसके अंदर एक छोटा सा cover भी आता है. It's so compact. You know, Pixie के blushes मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते थे, but those are so bulky. उतना बड़ा blush मुझे नहीं चाहिए. This is the right amount. This is the great formulation. It blends like butter. It goes on your skin like butter. Foundation के ऊपर भी लगाया है and it did not move my foundation. इतनी प्यार से blend हो जाता है. I love it. The reason I'm not giving it to any liquid blushes is because liquid blushes को blend करना on foundation is a task. Of course they deserve your love, but this one is a great formula and I love the shade as well. Now the title is Lazy Girl Bestie, and I discovered something very last moment that literally has like fixed me up for this wedding season. It's none other than e.l.f.'s Halo Glow Beauty Wand Blush. Now this one is a dupe of Charlotte Tilbury के जो भी है उनके Hollywood filter blushes. This one is a pinky blush with glitter, with very fine shimmer in it, and I love कि बस इसको लगा के मुझे highlighter वगैरह की अलग से जरूरत ही नहीं है. It gives the most perfect flush of pink color. This is what you can use to get that Sabrina Carpenter blush look जो पूरे साल ट्रेंड किया था. This is it for that. I love how इसकी पैकेजिंग is also very good. मैं इसमें टिप्सी ब्यूटी को भी अवार्ड देना चाहती थी, बट इसकी पैकेजिंग ने मुझे बहुत परेशान किया है. This one is lighter than that and इसकी पैकेजिंग लीक नहीं कर रही है. Plus the color is beautiful. Again, both of them are Charlotte Tilbury के ही dupes, and this one in the same budget. I liked it more. e.l.f. को भी समझ में आ गया है, हाई एंड ब्रांड्स की ड्यूप बना लो and वो बिकता रहेगा. Great move guys, great move. Okay, although this year highlighters have taken a backseat somehow, it was a year of blush blindness, but I still want to go for the next category, which is Mega Glow Highlighter Award. That gave you the glowing skin that you've always wanted. जिसके लिए पानी पीना पड़ता है, but हम लड़कियां वो कर नहीं सकती. And I'll be very honest, मैंने इस साल highlighters बिल्कुल use नहीं किए हैं. I've preferred blushes जिसमें shimmer particles खुद आते हैं, but I will still mention something that has worked for me, which is e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. It's a glow booster for radiant skin. This is sort of like a tinted highlighter. तो आप इसको अपने पूरे बेस पे लगा के you can just go out on its own as well, but I feel वो मेरी स्किन पे बहुत greasy लगता है. I use it as a liquid highlighter only, and it gives the most perfect sheen, that better, that your skin but glowing from within वाला look, and definitely deserves an award for being so affordable. Not affordable, but half the price of Charlotte Tilbury and doing something almost comparable. So yeah, the only issue with me is कि glass packaging है यार. बिल्कुल वो K Beauty का भी जो foundation आता है बिल्कुल वैसी वाली foundation packaging है. But love the product. Great product. I'm in the shade light medium, the third shade. मैंने जितने भी और हाइलाइटर्स यूज़ किए हैं वो सारे लास्ट ईयर के थे. इस बार मैंने सिर्फ एक नया परचेज किया है विच इज़ फ्रॉम के ब्यूटी, बट आई हैवंट इवन ओपन्ड द पैकेजिंग क्योंकि मैं एल्फ के साथ ही इतनी सॉर्टेज चल रही थी इस पूरे महीने के ट्रैवल में. सो maybe that will make in the next year's award. So wait for it. Next we have the Drama Setter Makeup Setting Spray. For all your dramatic looks, you need a makeup spray that can fix it and lock it in. And क्या मैंने वो रखा है यहाँ पे? हाँ. I am giving this award to something that I've been using for almost close to 2.5 years now. This one I feel is still not getting its due, and this is none other than PAC's Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. I know PAC का जो white packaging वाला spray है that is really popular for its fine mist, but this one is equally good. I think ये इससे थोड़ा cheaper ही है, so I wanted to mention this one as well. It's beautiful. I use it while prepping my face for makeup as well. Like foundation से पहले लगा लिया, foundation लगाने के बाद सेट कर लिया, उसके बाद फाइनली भी आई यूज इट टू सेट इट. एंड दिस वन वुड कॉस्ट यू लाइक 800-900 रुपीज ऑन सेल, और बेटर भी डील हो सकती है 700 तक. सो या इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर समथिंग न्यू टू ट्राई दिस ईयर, लेट इट बी पैक्स इंस्टेंट फिक्सेशन. यू वुडंट रिग्रेट एंड इट्स सो फाइन. कोई अननेसेसरी फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं है. आई हेट व्हेन सेटिंग स्प्रेज कम विद फ्रेग्रेंस या फिर बहुत ही इंटेंस मिस्ट. मुझे इतना फिक्स नहीं करना मेकअप, मैं टचअप कर लूंगी, इट्स फाइन. आई नीड अ गुड प्रोडक्ट विच इज ईजियर टू यूज. Okay, Harshit का मैसेज आके रुक जाओ. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for the best awards, like the most exciting awards of the night. I am super excited to be presenting them to you. These are the most hyped. Like मेरे दिमाग में these were the ultimate awards for this. These are the categories. I don't think so तुमने कहीं और सुनी होंगी, so I did it first. So, number one category is going to be the Best Skincare Infused Makeup Award. The product that is the perfect blend of skincare and beauty makeup. And any guesses for who can win it? मुझे कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है, but you can comment down if you have any suggestions for me to try out. अगर आपने स्किन केयर एडिशन वाला देखा है, then you already know who's winning it. It is none other than Dot and Key. It's their Strawberry Dew Tinted Sunscreen with SPF 50 PA4+. The fact that it's literally a sunscreen which still is tinted gives you really light, थोड़ा सा buildable coverage. I am hooked to this, and anybody who's ever used it would tell you the same. The fact that it comes with SPF, it is just perfect for those lazy days, even for dressier days. I have used this skin tint with that L'Oreal concealer and have had the best base ever. You know, on a hydrated skin, a hydrating concealer can give you the ultimate good skin look. And Dot and Key, I have already mentioned skincare wali video mein. They are killing it with their finds. This one is no surprise. So great, well done Dot and Key, and I have to say great job on getting out more colors as well. पहले ये सिर्फ 3 shades में आया था, जिसमें the last shade 3 sand is what I was using, as well as other girls were using as well. Glad they launched 2 darker shades as well, but still they need to launch more for this to reach every girl in the country. Next award is Trendsetter Award, the award of a product that has been so trend-setting कि बाकी सारे brands were almost forced to make the exact product, like some versions of it. And for me, that one product this year has been lip oils. Be it the most budget brands या फिर high-end वाले, everybody was after lip oils, the most silkiest, shiniest, most non-greasy but non-sticky formulation ever. And initially we had the translucent one, but उसके बाद tints वाले भी आ गए. And of course, you can think of a zillion brands that have done it, but my favorite is gonna shock you. The winner for this award goes to Lakme 9 to 5 Overtime Lip Shine Oil. This is how the packaging looks like. I mean, they literally nailed it. Even though it's just golden only, but वो जो molds आए हैं, hexagon shape आई है, it's beautiful. नीचे जो tint आपको दिख सकता है, that is amazing. This is one issue I had with Dime Beauty. कहीं भी color visible नहीं है, and it's more of rose gold. This one is gold with a little bit of, tint in between. I did not expect कि ये मुझे इतना अच्छा लगेगा. इतना लाइट वेट हाइड्रेटिंग फॉर्मूला है. वन स्वाइप कलर भी आता है. It's beautiful and it looks like something luxurious as well. While this would just cost you 600-700 rupees only. So Lakme, you've killed it. I feel in the last few months Lakme has done an amazing job. This is the shade Cocoa Truffle. It's like a warm brown color but looks so shiny. मुझे अब ये नहीं करना पड़ता कि brown lipstick के ऊपर एक अलग से lip oil लगा लूँ. I went for brown in this because almost pinky shade मुझे Dime Beauty में मिल रहा था उसके lip balm में. This one is a lip oil. It's much more oily and glossier than the Dime Beauty. Now this is a lip oil and that was like a glossy lip balm. Those are different. This is oil, that is balm. Consistency में बहुत difference है and this is way more tinted as well. That one was more opaque. So this is the two difference. Why? मैं explain कर रही हूँ why I have two categories of these. वो shiny gloss पे जीता है and this is just a trendsetter. Somehow the packaging and everything, I loved it and this actually stays on and leaves a beautiful stain on your lips as well. मैंने खाते वक्त भी इसे use किया है. I'm gonna make more shorts about it क्योंकि अभी मैं testing के while shoot करना भूल गई unfortunately, but beautiful color. Another pinky and mauve from this range is also very good, so do try them out. Baki, let me know what was this one product that was the trendsetter for you. For me, it has to be lip category and lip oil. I know tints are also very popular, but I'm more of a lip oil person. And the last mega award for the night is Best Budget Beauty Brand Award. This is for the brand that has been killing it all throughout the year, that have come up with something very revolutionary with every new launch, and they've killed, like literally killed the internet with all their launches. So, any guesses? Of course, it has to go to Mars. I think Mars के सारे launches have been so good. Be there BB cream, be it their foundations, setting sprays, even the eyeshadow palette that won in the eyeshadow palette category. Everything, and the latest lip tints, lip oils, and the tinted lip oils as well. Even though I did not like the colors a lot, but every new launch has been revolutionary, has been so affordable. They've literally catered it to the Indian market, Indian audiences, so kudos to that. And apart from Mars, I have a personal favorite which is Lakme. I feel Lakme एक time पे was known for their lipstick and the ranges that they had in lipsticks. This year they went ahead. मुझे इनकी 9 to 5 mousse lip ranges, liquid lipsticks हमेशा से पसंद थी, but this year they've done some really good launches, be it their lip oils, their stick contour or foundation sticks, even their Bloom Rouge range. I haven't tried it, but it looks very promising. So Lakme and Mars are my budget-friendly, revolutionary brands that are launching something new, and I'm super excited to try out more from both of them. And with this, we've come to the end of this beautiful award nights. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys loved what the jury members have selected so far. I loved testing out all of these products and finalizing the award segments. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Let me know. Leave a comment for all the efforts. This is going to be a wrap for the award ceremony of this year. There will be, however, a wrap of my year coming very soon. I have some really crazy video ideas for you guys. So yeah, stay tuned and I will see you in my next video.